This is Iowa Live.
Welcome back to the program, everybody. Our good friend, Dr. Josiah Fitzsimmons from Vero Neuropathy, joining us once again this morning. Dr. J, how are you this morning?
Lou, I'm doing awesome. How are you doing?
We are doing great, but here's what we want to talk about this morning. We talked about neuropathy many times on this program, and you helped explain, what is going on, what the people are experiencing, how to treat it. But how about you explain what is happening to the body that is causing neuropathy?
Yeah, absolutely. Great question. I know it can be a confusing topic for people, but as we've discussed before, neuropathy can really be caused by a number of conditions. For example, diabetes, also people undergoing chemotherapy. What's happening is the nerves in the body become damaged and they start to malfunction. The body has a peripheral nervous system, the hands and your feet. That's what sends signals back up to the brain, to your central nervous system, and that's where the damage occurs. So it isn't necessarily something that happens overnight. It leads to symptoms such as weakness, numbness, pain, tingling in the feet, legs or hands, but the damage and symptoms continue to increase and get worse and worse when they're not treated.
Now, is neuropathy, is it considered a disease?
Technically, it's not. It's a result of abnormal condition to the body. As I mentioned earlier with diabetes or chemotherapy, these are really two of the most common conditions that are as a result in neuropathy. But there are a host of other conditions and illnesses that can cause neuropathy. For example, trauma, injuries from a fall, when a nerve can become compressed, or autoimmune diseases like lupus or rheumatoid arthritis, even infections like shingles, hepatitis C, or Lyme disease. Some medications, a lot of cholesterol, statin, drugs cause neuropathy as well. There's also inherited. So there's a lot of causes. So in some cases, it's really hard to identify really what caused it to begin with.
I didn't realize about the autoimmune diseases and those combination that you mentioned there, lupus and rheumatoid arthritis. So the pain some people could be experiencing if they have one or maybe even both of those conditions might be neuropathy.
Exactly.
But you can do something about this over at Vero, and the way you do it is amazing.
Absolutely. We have people that come to our office from Lamar's, Iowa, Dyersville, Spencer, Joplin, Missouri. We see people from all over the Midwest. We specialize in actually regenerating the nerves, restoring the arteries. Our treatments actually work at a cellular level to actually regain the nerve function and the mobility and actually reverse the condition.
So what is the process of getting healed? Because that's what we're talking about, is fixing the problem, not covering it up.
Absolutely. So first of all, obviously call us, make an appointment. When you come in, we're actually going to do 8 different unique tests to calculate down to the exact percentage how much nerve damage you have in your hands or your feet. And then we'll come with an individualized treatment plan. We don't do any injections, no drugs, no surgeries. It's all natural, FDA cleared treatments to actually regenerate the nerves.
Right, and now people are seeing this and they're understanding it and they're saying this is all well and good, but how much is this going to cost me to get this done?
Well, we got a special right now. First 25 callers, normally $250, only $49.
All right, so they just need to get a hold of you. There is the phone number to call, 515-755-PAIN. If you want to text to get information and get things set up, get the ball rolling, 21,000. You text the word painless to 21,000. That phone number, again, 515-755-PAIN. You mentioned $250 normally. You're going to do this for $49, and this is a complete evaluation, isn't it?
Absolutely. We have 7 doctors all in our office. We specialize in neurological based care. Like I said, we see people 3, 4, 5 hours one way. So don't wait. Give us a call. Let's get you in. There's no reason to keep suffering with neuropathy.
Right, and it's located right on Mill Civic Parkway, right off of I-35. I think we timed it just for curiosity's sake, and it was like less than a minute from I-35. So you guys are really conveniently located, easy to get to, and boy, oh boy, what a world of difference it can make just by visiting Dr. Josiah Fitzsimmons and the gang over at Vero Neuropathy. 7 different doctors now, is that right?
You got it, yeah, 7.
That's very impressive. Dr. Josiah Fitzsimmons, a great job as always, and we will talk to you next time.
Thanks a lot.
All right. Please take advantage of his special, $49 instead of $249. Yeah, that's a heck of a deal.